Thank you for staying with Republic. We're straight away cutting across to some breaking news coming in. It is a big development as far as the death of the elephant in Kerala is concerned, as the main accused, we are now being told, has been arrested. Over the past few days, there has been a lot of anger across the country over the death of the elephant who was given a pineapple laden with crackers that caused the death of the elephant. In the postmortem, it was also found that the elephant was pregnant. And although the Kerala government has assured that the perpetrators will be punished, this is the latest that is coming in. One accused has been arrested. We are yet to get more details as far as the probe is concerned. Meanwhile, the centre also having sought a report from the Kerala government, and increasing reactions coming in ever since the story has come to light, as there is nationwide anger over the death of this elephant, or rather the brutal killing of this elephant. Now, in the latest details, as also flashing on your screens, one accused has been arrested, but we are yet to get more details of the death probe. This is a big breakthrough, as earlier information also suggested that there are 4 suspects in this case. Pooja Prasanna, our South Bureau Chief, will be joining us very shortly to give us more details as far as the accused is concerned, what his role in this entire incident is, and how far has the police's investigation reached. This even as the Kerala government has been assuring the entire country that they will ensure that the perpetrators will not be spared. All right, I believe Pooja Prasanna will be joining us very shortly as she's picking up more inputs on the same. One accused who has been arrested in the case. Over the past few days, there has been a lot of anger across the country and increasing reactions that have been coming in from citizens in every walk of life, condemning this very incident that caused the death of this elephant who was given a pineapple full of crackers that caused his death. More importantly, there was increasing outrage after it was found out in the postmortem report that the elephant was also pregnant. And I believe Vikram, my colleague, is with us on the phone line. Vikram, first up, these latest details that are coming in. One accused has been arrested. What more have we picked up as far as this person is concerned?
Well, Suesha, this is the first action that has been taken by the Kerala Forest Department, and they have just tweeted a short while back, and Republic TV was the first channel to bring up this story after there was nationwide outrage on social media on how brutally this pregnant elephant was fed fruit filled with crackers. Now, there has been a lot of controversy and also a lot of questions raised over this entire probe, but now the Kerala Forest Department is finally swinging into action, and they have just tweeted, and I would just like to read out the tweet. The tweet says that we have finally made the first arrest, and they've zeroed in on the culprits. So this is a big development as far as the Kerala elephant that is concerned, and remember, there has been nationwide outrage on how brutally this elephant was died, and it was a pregnant elephant, and also this happened in the Palakkad district. Even the center is taking stock of the situation, and they sought a report from the Kerala state government. Kerala state government on its part, Pinarayi Vijayan, Chief Minister, saying that even they're doing everything possible to ensure that the culprits are brought to justice, and also they're saying he said that there was an attempt to malign the image of the state. So the latest development being that the one person has been arrested, and there are others who the Forest Department is on the lookout for. This comes after there was national and massive outrage. A lot of celebrities, a lot of eminent personalities, union ministers, leaders, both from the opposition and the ruling party, speaking out and saying that this is something that is not just an isolated incident. There needs to be a deeper investigation into this entire incident and this entire activity that happens in Kerala, because a lot of the BJP in particular alleged that this was not something that was happening just with elephants but also with other animals, and it alleged an animal cruelty as well, while the Kerala government has maintained that it does the best thing possible to ensure that it takes care of all the animals. So significant development in the death probe of the elephant, of the probe of the elephant's death, and one arrest made. Let's see how it goes. Handing it back to you.
All right, Vikram, many thanks for getting us those details. And like we are quickly recapping for our viewers, one accused has been arrested, this even as the forest officials had said that there were 3 suspects who were being questioned, and the search was on for the accused. Now, this is a big breakthrough coming in this case, as we are being told one accused has been arrested. What exactly is the identity of that person, and what was his role is something we are still to pick up more on. But even as forest officials had said that investigation into such cases is not very easy, it is difficult to gather information into such incidents. But the probe that continues, and 3 suspects who had been questioned in connection with the death of this elephant that has caused nationwide outrage over this very incident, as it was said that a 15-year-old elephant who is suspected to have consumed a pineapple filled with powerful firecrackers, which exploded in the animal's mouth and caused its death.